In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with teams in ClickUp. To get started, open the space where your team will be working and create a list for the project. This list will act as the main home for all of the tasks related to that specific project, so it's a good idea to give it a clear, recognizable name. Keeping everything organized from the beginning makes it much easier for everyone to understand where work belongs and how the project is structured. Once the list is ready, share it with your team. Click the Share option, invite the people who need access, and set their permissions appropriately. This is an important step because it determines who can view, comment on, or make changes to the work. Taking a moment to set permissions carefully can help your team collaborate smoothly while avoiding confusion later. After that, begin creating tasks for the work your team needs to complete. Each task should represent a clear piece of work, so try to keep task names specific and easy to understand. Well-defined tasks make it easier for team members to know exactly what needs to be done and help everyone stay aligned on project goals. Next, open each task and assign the appropriate team members under assignees. Assigning tasks clearly creates ownership and helps prevent work from being overlooked. When everyone knows what they are responsible for, collaboration becomes more efficient and accountability improves across the team. From there, add due dates and priorities to each task. Due dates help clarify deadlines, while priorities show which items need attention first. This gives your team a better sense of urgency and helps them plan their work more effectively, especially when multiple tasks are moving at the same time. To keep communication connected to the work itself, use comments and add mentions inside tasks. This is a simple and effective way to ask questions, share updates, and notify teammates without losing context. Instead of switching between tools, your team can keep conversations directly attached to the relevant task, which makes follow-up much easier. You can also share files by attaching important documents, images, or videos to each task. Adding files directly where the work is happening gives team members quick access to the resources they need and reduces the chance of important information getting buried elsewhere. Finally, track progress using list view or board view and move tasks through their statuses until they're completed. This helps everyone see what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's already finished. Keeping statuses updated gives the whole team better visibility and makes collaboration in ClickUp much more effective. Thanks for watching.